Here we have a word problem. Okay, let's go with the question. If a number of which the half is greater than 1/5 of the number by 15, find the number. So, okay, we have to find the number. We can assume x as a number. So, say a number of which the half. So, what is half of this number? So, just 1 of x. So, this half of this number greater than 1/5 of the same number, that is 1/5 of x. So 1 half of x represents half of the number, 1/5 of the x is 1/5 of the number. So which one is greater? Half of the number is greater than 1/5 of the number by 15. So for example, I assume 1/5 of the number is 0. Then what is 1 half of the number? It's 15, because 1 half of the number is greater than 1/5 of the number by 15. So can I say that 15 and 0 are equal? No, it's false. So if I want to balance this equation, either I have to subtract 15 over here, so that 15 negative 15 will become 0 on the left side. On the right side, already we have 0. 0 equals to 0. It's true. Otherwise, what I need to do is I have to add 15 to right side, so that 0 positive 15 will become 15. Then 15 and 15 will be equal. So now what I'm going to do is in our problem, so this stuff and this stuff are not equal. So according to the question, 1 half of x is greater than 1/5 of the x is 1/5 of the x by 15. So if I want to equate them, so either I have to subtract 15 from this, otherwise I have to add 15 to 1/5 of the number. So I'm adding 15 to 1/5 of the number, that is 1/5 of x. Okay, now I have to solve for x in this equation. So because x represents a required number. Okay, so 1 over 2 times x can be written as x over 2, and here 1/5 of x can be written as x over 5 positive 15. Okay, now to solve this simple equation, I have to get rid of the two denominators 2 and 5. So the least common multiple of the two denominators 2 and 5 is 10. So when I multiply both sides of the equation by 10, I'll be able to get rid of the two denominators 2 and 5. Okay, now let me multiply both sides by 10, which is the least common multiple of the two denominators 2 and 5. So 10 times x over 2 equals to 10 times x over 5 positive 15. So 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 10 5 times. So here 5 times x, I'll be getting 5x on the left side. On the right side, I have to distribute this 10 to x over 5 and positive 15. So 10 times x over 5 positive 10 times 15 will be 150. So 5 goes into 5 1 times, 5 goes into 10 twice. So the resulting equation is 5x equals to 2x positive 150. Okay, here the variable x appears on both sides. So if I want to solve for x, it has to appear on only one side of the equation. Okay, now let's get rid of the variable 2x on the right side. For that, I have to subtract 2x from both sides. This positive 2x, negative 2x will cancel out. So 5x negative 2x here will become 3x equals to 150. Okay, to solve for x, I divide both sides by 3. So this 3 will cancel out. I get x equals to 3 goes into 3 1 times. 3 goes into 15 5 times, and we have 0 here. I get x equals to 50. Actually, x is a required number, so the required number is 50. Okay, anyways, we can verify our answer with the condition what we have over here. So the number what we got is 50. So now first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take half of the number 50. What is half of the number 50? It's 25. Okay, and also I have to take 1/5 of the number 50. What is 1/5 of the number 50? So for that, I have to multiply this 50 by 1/5. So 5 goes into 5 1 times, 5 goes into 50 10 times. So the 1/5 of the number is 10. So half of the number we got 50 is 25, and 1/5 of the number 50 is 10. So clearly half of the number is greater than 1/5 of the number by 15. So the answer what we got satisfies the condition given in the question. So the required number in this problem is 50.